Smith & Lincoln Electric. We received a number of inquiries on how to fit a battery to our Viking 3350 helmet, and that's what I'm here today to show you. Turn the helmet over. Now the Viking 3350 features an external grind button, so don't forget to start with, it simply unplugs. Now to remove the lens, and click the securing latches and remove the lens from the helmet. Turn it over and just spring the lens out of its holder, and the battery goes here, and that's easily accessed by pulling down and lifting up. The battery, positive side, matches positive label, insert and then secure. Now we reverse the procedure to put the lens back together. Roll it over, clip it in, and now we put it back into the shell. So there's two latches that we need to line up. Lock in the securing position, and don't forget to plug in the grind button.